In this video, I'll be showing iPhone 6s charging port repair. So when I plug it in, the charger doesn't even go all the way, or it doesn't even turn on. So what we have to do is make sure that it gets clean, so this gap, it goes away. So the tool I like to use is paper clip, and you just have to be used to repairing and make sure you just remove the dirt and dust. You don't want to apply so much force because there's also connections. Just enough to know you're picking up. This is one of the common things customer brings in for charging port. And I'll let you know exactly why this happens. So first we'll fix it. Might take a minute or two. So we clean some of it, but you see how the dirt and everything's on the phone? That's how it happens inside of it. So the same thing gets in the charging port. Over time with water, it makes it dump. It just keep adding up, and makes it solid. So dust turns to dirt, and from dirt over time solid. It makes it seem like as a cement, but it's not that hard. You just have to, like gluey stuff, just clean it. And when you're cleaning it, you're just pushing away the dirt. Imagine this has charging port. This is charging port. What you do is you just go in, remove the dirt, and you don't want to mess up the connections on each side, because it have connections, 8 connections as metal on the sides of it. Now what I like to use is alcohol, the next step, because with alcohol I'll be able to make this dust or dirt a little bit weaker, and it'll come out a lot easier. You see how the dirt is coming on this? So now let's try the charger, see if it charges it. Okay, now it shows sign of charging, but it's still a little bit out. Okay, it doesn't show charging correctly. So let's do some more work. So now, as you guys can see, if I press the home button or the power button, it's supposed to have some kind of charge. We'll clean it up a little bit more. Now it's charging, and this is perfectly inserted. So that's how you work. Charging now. When I press the home button, I see charging. Before, I was not able to, but now the gap is gone. This is how it looks. So this is a fix. You don't want to go against the grain. Like, it have connections on each side. You don't want to like break the connections. You don't want to go like you just go on there, just pick up the dirt, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.